problem Codes is trying to solve is how do we reduce rail electrification costs in the UK. Electric trains are the most efficient way to power a train. They're quicker, you get more seats, you can get more trains on a line. The big issue it has is cost. And typically that's because of civil interventions. So raising bridges, moving infrastructure is a huge part of electrification cost. In an example like we have here in this model, wires would come into a station, they would need to go higher over platforms, and then maybe there's an adjacent footbridge and they have to go low. And often we end up raising bridges, cutting back platforms, and Code seems to reduce that entirely by creating a real-world twin at the Global Centre for Rail Excellence and moving wires to reflect any piece of infrastructure so we can test for real how it performs. Do we need to remove that bridge or can we leave it in? We can test it for real now. Innovate UK have brought funding from the Department of Business and Trade to the project and linked us in as well with the Global Centre for Rail Excellence. And what that really means is the opportunity to build a demonstrator at the centre in Wales and allow us to bring every stakeholder along with us on the journey and physically show them what we can do to get wires installed across the UK. The project started last year in 2023 with a feasibility study. In spring 24, we're building a prototype, and as the year goes on and as we head towards Christmas, we'll be building a demonstrator at the centre in Wales. In the future, we want to start testing trains at the Global Centre for Rail Excellence to really start reducing electrification costs here in the UK. It's always exciting to work on innovation projects. Staff really enjoy working on these projects, so we attract the brightest and best new graduates and new engineers into working in things that will really change the UK.